Hey guys, welcome to my day 9 of my 10 days of fall. Today is on this adorable little baby fawn. Well, like a fawn is a baby deer, but okay. Fall fawn is I think what I called it. A little tumbler. It's just like a mini little guy, and I just wanted to do like the deer little fawn print on there and kind of a swirl pattern, but I just thought it was so cute. The colors are just very fall. I know baby deer are always around all year, but the colors were just very fall to me, and I just think it turned out so cute. So I do have a giveaway with the glitters and paint and epoxy I think that I used. Check out the details down below for the giveaway. Don't forget to come back for day 10 tomorrow. Let's get into the little baby fawn fall fawn tutorial. So I'm starting with this little bell tumbler that I found. It's just so little and so cute. This was just at Ross for $7.99. So taking off the wrapper and stickers and then prepping with mattify and a maroon pad. Then taking grounded ColorFix paint and just doing a full coverage on the whole cup. And I'm using one of our large brushes. It's actually just a makeup brush, but any fluffy makeup brush will do and just give you a really nice smooth application. Once that was all dry, I went in with some mixed epoxy and just coated it in just a really super thin layer so we can do our glitter. And this is the 1:1 fast set. So I'm taking 2 different colors of glitter, Addax in small and Oryx in medium. I thought just the darker and lighter, like kind of coppery brown, would look really nice. So I'm just going in kind of a swirl pattern, basically the same that you do with like a Milky Way kind of swirl cup. But I just did Oryx, the darker brown, in the middle, and then I'm going with the other on the sides of that. And I think it looks really nice to do different size cuts. So that's why I have the darker is the medium cut, and then this one is the small cut. Just kind of gives it a little different texture. Then once that was dry, I'm going on with more epoxy, and I'm just going on the part that's not glittered first, and then I will go on the glittered part just in case any glitter moves. Then I had an idea. I was trying to make this more of like a Milky Way look, so I did the white striping on there. And I smoothed it out. Then I added this glitter. This is kind of just a flat white glitter. Then I realized I did not like it at all. It was just not working. So I wiped all that off with acetone. A lot of the glitter kind of stuck on there, which I actually liked how it looked. So I let that dry for a little bit. That's what we're looking like. I decided I wanted to do just little spots with a paint pen instead. So I'm using a Craftsmart white paint pen from Michaels, and I'm just going on and just kind of doing little random spots. There's nothing too perfect, nothing to circle, not in a perfect order, just kind of random, just to make it look realistic, as realistic as I could. And I kind of liked the white glitter on there, just adding a little bit more spots, like random spots. So deer have like those two kind of lines almost of spots, and then outside that is more just random spots. So that's kind of what I did, but again, keeping it not like a perfectly straight line. And that's what it looked like. I feel like this worked out way better than the like Milky Way style. I don't know why, I just was like, ooh, I'll do a Milky Way, and it just did not work. So this was a much better option. So going on, I did 2 more layers of epoxy to finish off this cup, just to make it nice and smooth. Then it was all done, so I just took it off and put the lid back on. And I just think it's so cute. Like, it's so little. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you check out my other fall videos. See you in the next one. Bye.